Kenyan exporters have been challenged to take up opportunities offered by the Continental Free Trade Area AfCFTA in a bid to ensure that manufacturing, agro-processing and other activities across Africa are stimulated to supply the market. Cooperatives Cabinet Secretary Wycliffe Oparanya, who was speaking during the flag-off of goods for export, says government is committed to streamlining regulatory compliance to unlock potential in the trade area.
The African Continental Free Trade Area, which is the world's largest free trade area, started trading in 2021, creating a market of 1.2 billion people and the 8th economic bloc in the world with a $3 trillion combined GDP that is expected to more than double by 2050. Kenyan exporters will now be able to access markets in DRC, South Sudan and Zambia following launch of the operational phase targeting the three nations.
This real initiative signifies a new beginning in terms of our trade relations with the rest of African continent, and it could not have come at a better time than now, when as a country and the African continent, we are taking collective efforts to make the African continent free trade area not just a trade agreement, but a tool for the economic transformation of our economy.
In the first phase, 83 containers will be exported through AfCFTA monthly.
This implies that an average of 83 containers will be shipped every month.
We look forward to working with other commercial banks to reduce the cost of trade finance, to make trade finance more accessible, more affordable.
Kenya targets to export products valued at $1.3 million annually to the three nations to accelerate economic integration.
The rollout of the operational phase of the Africa Continental Free Trade Area unlocks opportunities for Kenyan exporters to access the regional markets as the government promises to address regulatory compliances to spark growth in the sector. Reporting from Prime Edition, my name is Frederick Mwoki.